The 13 best Instagram accounts for desert dwellers. If you are hunting for beautiful interiors and exteriors set in the desert, look no further than Emily's Space. Her Instagram handle at Our Southwest Nest is an ode to everything sunny and warm. Her tranquil space is filled with neutrals that play off the muted colors of the desert with lots of solid wood and white accents. Located in Vacaville, California, Crystal's space is filled with beautiful thrifted finds and lots of planted cacti. Her style leans boho and her account is filled with approachable, southwestern style that is easy to replicate at home. We love her use of vintage and thrifted items to create unique, eye-catching spaces. Designed by Sarah Solis, this renovated 1930s adobe home is a tranquil, meditative space with a beautiful desert setting. Every room features an ode to nature, with sun-filled rooms and floor-to-ceiling windows that allow you to embrace the indoors and the outdoors at the same time. This Palm Springs desert home is giving off some serious mid-century vibes. Filled with bold hues, funky textures and an awe-inspiring desert backdrop, this is a great Instagram handle to follow if you are in need of a vacation. Chelsea's page is filled with beautiful vignettes of modern, boho style with a desert flair. We love her fresh, updated style and use of neutral colors throughout her home. From entryways to bathrooms, her space is the perfect example of modern desert style and we can't get enough. This Instagram page is filled with beautiful images of a guest house based in Morongo Valley, California. This desert paradise is filled with modern, open spaces that play beautifully against the arid backdrop of the Californian desert. Soufiane Isoni is an interior designer based in Marrakesh, Morocco, and his aesthetic perfect for anyone who loves warm, sunny spaces. His page is filled with images from interiors and landscapes throughout Morocco that will make you want to pack up and move across the world. Chelsea's home has a Western flair and is the perfect inspiration for anyone who wants to bring out their inner cowboy. We love her use of texture and colors in every room in her house. Her home has hints of maximalism with its playful use of patterns throughout the space. Tony Williams's page is a little more modern than some of our other desert pics, but many of his renovations bring the indoors and outdoors together. Based in Scottsdale, Arizona, this interior designer focuses on contemporary style with a boho flair. We love Morgan Ruggles' page because it not only features Southwestern-inspired interiors, but she also memorializes beautiful desert scenes from her home in New Mexico. Hers is a great page to follow if you love both interiors and landscapes of the Great Southwest. When you think desert style, you probably think wide open spaces, cactus plants and cowboys. The Ox House JT Instagram has all three of these. This handle features images from a 2.5-acre homestead in Joshua Tree with a mix of desert boho interiors and beautiful nature scenery. Though Justina Blakeney lives in LA, her home is filled with sunny, desert-inspired decor that will lift any mood. Her interiors are packed with plants, bold colors and endless textures. We love how visually interesting every interior she posts is, and it's hard not to smile when you see her happy, bright spaces. With its adobe-style fireplace and vintage Moroccan rug, this living room from @desertwild_JT screams desert chic. Based in Joshua Tree, this handle is filled with beautiful images of a bright, sunny desert home and landscapes that make us want to pack our bags ASAP. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.